Light Up the Lake is a great way to meet other people and know that you're not alone. It's a great way to remember the loved ones that we've lost, surrounded by family and friends who create teams and walk or run together. And it's a great way not to feel isolated, that we've all been touched by pancreatic cancer, and we can do something, by honoring our loved ones, we can do something for somebody else. And that's probably been one of the biggest gifts for me with Craig's Cause, is even though I lost somebody, and now over the years, a few people that were very dear to me, it's a time where I can remember, how much I cared for them, but it also is an opportunity for me to help somebody else. By me sharing my experiences, I can help someone else the way others helped me when my dad was diagnosed. I know that I felt so alone, and to have people, answer my questions, or to meet people face to face that have been on a similar journey, I finally felt connected. And I know that, it's a gift to be able to share your journey with somebody else, because you can help somebody just by sharing your journey. So I think that, never underestimate the impact that you can make just by showing up to Light Up the Lake, or to be posting your story, to be raising funds for our projects, that will have significant impacts on the way we treat pancreatic cancer patients across Canada.